Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into how you can start a profitable dropshipping business with our step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Dropshipping is an excellent way to start an online business with minimal upfront costs. Here's a guide to help you consistently make a profit. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific market with high demand and low competition. Select reliable suppliers. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to find trustworthy suppliers. Build your online store. Set up your e-commerce site using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Optimize product listings. Write compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images to attract customers. Drive traffic. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads to bring visitors to your store. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and handle returns efficiently to build trust and loyalty. Check out the full article on our website for more detailed steps. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.